So this is the display in moderate sunlight, and as you can see it's much better compared to the Mi Band 2, but still you'll have some problems in direct sunlight. You move up and down to change the menu type, and swiping right or left in the same menu will bring up the sub menus. And you have a heart tracker, you have weather reading for the next 3 days. Alright. And press your home button before you can go to the next menu. You can have your notifications. You have a stopwatch which you can activate by long pressing the home button, which is also touch sensitive. Alright. And you can even find your device by long pressing this button. And you can also modify the watch face or the tracker face with these three home screens. Alright, so this is the home screen. As you can see, it's a great tracker for the price it comes from. This is a small water resistance test to test the Mi Band 3's waterproof. Claim it is waterproof till 50 meters, and there's nothing you can do to spoil this with water. You can take it in rain, you can go for swimming, you can take it in the shower, and be assured nothing is gonna happen. It's gonna work perfectly. And there's one more thing to remember. When you buy this band from China, like me, it'll be all in Chinese when you get it. Do not worry, just download the Mi Fit app, and as soon as you sync it with your Mi Band 3, it will ask you to download a new firmware. And as soon as you download, it will update the language and the firmware of the Mi Band 3, and everything will turn to English. The software which comes with the Mi Band 3 is the Mi Fit app, and it's quite useful, though not perfect. It's quite good. Here you can see the sleep analysis, you can see the deep sleep, light sleep, and the number of hours, and it even compares your sleep with the remainder of Mi Band users in the world, and you can see your heartbeat, you can see your weight goals, and you can set your height and weight, and you can even set your goals. And here you set your alerts for incoming calls, apps, and obviously everything is modifiable. And if you want to have a really long battery life, you can actually switch off few of these. And as you can see, you can even find your device using this. It starts vibrating, and you can set your automatic heart rate monitoring, which is not available in any other band in this price point. You can set the timer from which you start getting the heart rate monitoring results. And finally, the battery life in the Mi Band 3 is excellent with 20 days of life. Even with heavy usage, I had all my notifications turned on and all the tracking turned on. But if you switch on the heart track continuous monitoring, it will reduce your battery life. So it is better to turn it off when you don't need it. Thank you for watching.